techniques of acupressure. Now see, when I used to travel also, what I used to do, when I used to travel at Bangalore very often before, I used to teach patients, never used to be able to give patients treatment often. I used to travel to Bangalore quite often, used to teach them how to do acupressure. Now for example, 4 fingers below the palm, 1 finger above. Holding technique, how will it be? 4 fingers below and 1 finger above. And just pressing it like this, not rotating the finger, just pressing it. Okay? And counting 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is a technique of acupressure. Now each and every person come and do it on my hand. I want to see whether you have understood a technique of acupressure. And even dowsing, come and do once in front of me, so that I know that you have understood. Then I'll go ahead. Okay? Technique is just hold like this and do it like this. For example, give me this hand. 4 fingers down, 1 above, and just holding with the pulp of finger. Okay? It's important that you understand the technique and do it properly. Just holding it like this. Hmm? 1 to 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Now, what I used to do to the other patients who were traveling, this is just for your reference, I'm telling you. With the elbow. For example, they are having pain in the back. Just turn. They used to have pain in the back. There is no place you can make the patient lie down. I used to make the patient lie down and make like this. Did you get it? Put my elbow on the back. So he'll get pressure. हो गया acupressure. समझ में आ गया? Such as खड़े हो जाओ आप. Come this side. ये इसमें एक्यूप्रेशर किया, यहाँ 2 किया, एक यहाँ, एक यहाँ, एक यहाँ, सेंटर ऑफ द थाई, सेंटर ऑफ द नी, सेंटर ऑफ द काफ, हो गया. सिट. पूरे बैक का एक्यूप्रेशर फिनिश. ओनली दिस वे. काउंट 1 to 20. अब ये किसी ने सिखाया नहीं है, ये प्रैक्टिकल खुद ने निकाला है. Did you get it? So simple it is. Putting pressure of the elbow. With thumb it is difficult to press the center of the hips and all. But if you are putting this pressure, definitely pressure will come. This is just by the way I am informing you. So even if you are having pain in the knees and if you are putting pressure like this, फर्क तो होना ही है. There is going to be no side effect. Definitely some improvement has to be there. Now, everyone will start coming in. And pendulum, do you all have your pendulum or key or something you all have? You all have a key or something? We can just move it like this. You all show me on my pendulum only how you will hold it. So I'll understand that you have understood, okay? You start. Come. Press it. Still press. Put all the 4 fingers below. नहीं लगेगा. नहीं लग रहा है. 4 उंगली नीचे रखिए. ये नहीं, ये हाथ का. हाँ. Did you get it? Press चालू रखिए. उसको उठाना नहीं है, प्रेस चालू रखना है. आया समझ में? ओके? हाँ. ये पकड़ लीजिए. इसको सेपरेट उंगली करिए. आया समझ में? आया समझ में ना? ओके? प्रेशर का भी आया. One person come and do it, so I'll be satisfied that you have understood. Otherwise, what you have come and gone, attended the class, हाँ सुना. Come. Show me how you'll do. नहीं, you 1 One more thing, acupressure should never be done on bony structures. And whenever bony structures are there, it has to be done on the muscle part, okay? Press करो, जोर तो मारो, कुछ आ ही नहीं रहा है प्रेशर, ओके? इससे कैसे करोगे? ओके, समझ में आया ना? I think what you can do is you can go and start checking how they are doing on each other. So that will save the time. Go and check on this side. Come. तुम्ही मागचं लोकांचं, you check on the backward people, no? Last 2-3 people who are sitting. Let them do it on each other. You do on each other. Make him your partner and do it. So you just see whether they are doing it correctly. Each and every person, you do it on me. Show me. अजून जोर से देना, थोड़ा जोर से, प्रेशर आ नहीं रहा है, थोड़ा जोर से दे दो. Okay, yeah. And how we'll do this? Okay. Sit. Sure. Sit. Right. Absolutely first class. Yeah. We can have maximum till what time?
5:30.
Till maximum till 5:15? Pardon? 5:15.
How about it? 5:15.
5 वाजलेत.
5 बजे.
Okay. Now who will come here? Come here. Anyone has a pain anywhere? Where you have? You have where? Back. On the back you have. Center of the back, side of the back. Since how long? 1 month. Have you done anything? What else? Where's the pain? Here? Did you have a fall? Have you done an X-ray? Okay. Now, see, what's her name? Mona, aged 30. Mona, aged 43, has got complaints of back pain since a month. You lifted weight or something? After lifting weight, only a month, any X-rays done? Only she's doing physiotherapy right now. Is the pain excruciating or okay? It's okay. Pain is bearable, okay? Now, the first question, sit properly. The person on whom has to be done cannot be cross legs. That means the person is not receiving you, okay? Now, we'll first ask on which part dowsing has to be done, because the patient has got a back problem. On which part? On the hand or on the leg or where? So what we will do, see, first basic rule for acupressure is lower part below the abdomen. If there is a problem, you have to do acupressure on the legs, or above the navel or below this part of this navel, you can do on the hands also the treatment. Now since there is no sitting, no sleeping way, what I would prefer is to take up the hand only. Okay. Now on this part of the hand, put your fingers separate like this. On which part can the acupressure be done? Please tell me. Achha, anyone has a pen? I will just ask 3 points and give pressure to those 3 points, okay? Not working? Not working? What I am doing is I am just marking the point that is coming. I think it will be better if you all come and see how I am doing it, because you can see from here, no? It is clockwise, so it is positive, so this area I am taking. What I will do is, I am just holding this part and pressing 1 to 20, okay? Painful. Now what is the rule of acupressure? If the pain exists, that means somewhere something is correct. If you are pressing and if there is no pain existing, that will be an internal pain. Otherwise that will be a superficial pain. One is internal pain, one is superficial pain. So do you feel the internal pain or do you feel the superficial pain? So that what is superficial is just the muscle pain, you know, that you are pressing, and one that is internal is an internal pain. So if the pain is less, how will you say that the point is correct? If suppose every day you are doing acupressure and the intensity or the degree of pain will keep on reducing every day. When the intensity and the degree of pain keeps on reducing every day, then the patient is progressing, and then the pain of the patient is also feeling better. Did you get it? Now I am leaving these 2 points. What I am doing is only holding this and trying to pull the finger. Just see how you are feeling on the back. Any change or no change? Just walk and see how you are feeling. Get up, walk and see. That will go away, don't worry, on the hand. Little better, how much better you can say? 20%? If it is 25% better, it's an achievement. It can be more better also, we can take up another hand also. You're feeling 25% better? Give.